guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. I have another Bible to review, but before I do that, I'm going to give you the scripture of the day, which is 1 Thessalonians 5. I'm not going to read the whole chapter, just part of it. Now, concerning the times and the seasons, brothers, you have no need to have anything written to you, for you yourselves are fully aware that the day of the Lord will come like a thief in the night. While people are saying there's peace and security, then sudden destruction will come upon them, as labor pains come upon a pregnant woman, and they will not escape. But you are not in darkness, brothers, for that day to surprise you like a thief. So I thought you would enjoy that. Do some more study on that. I know a lot of you guys love Bible study, and so study on that. And here is the Bible I'm going to review today. This is the ESV. I got this on Amazon. Look how pretty this is. Isn't this gorgeous? And it's just like a handy size Holy Bible ESV made by Crestway. And so it's just a really nice, pretty cover. It's like a red. And there's really not a lot to it. It's just a straight word. Sometimes I just like a Bible I can just pick up and read and relax. And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with this. And I'm going to do this with a few of my Bibles, actually. I love to listen to different ministers. A lot of them go through the entire Bible. So what I'll do, like I'll type in Genesis, and then I'll write Genesis chapter 1, and then a whole bunch of ministers will come up on YouTube. And one of the ministers that I really love and have learned a lot from is David Pawson. So what I'm going to do with this Bible is I'm going to go through the Bible with David Pawson. There's other teachers that I'm going to be doing this with too. So I'm going to be grabbing a few of my Bibles to do this. Probably 66 books, hopefully, and 66 Bibles. And I'm going to use this Bible for whenever I study from David Pawson. So I started this today, and actually in Matthew I started, and he's on there, and so I learned some things. So I'm going to put like my notes and his notes, and my thoughts, his thoughts. And even if I work on another Bible, what I usually do is I do like reviews. So if I come into Matthew and I remember something that David Pawson wrote, I will even write it in another Bible, even if it's another Bible for another minister. I just want to, because we learn by repetition. So the more you read it, the more you write it. But at least, I'm just going to go through the Bible, and this will help me keep track of where I am with the different ministers that I want to hear. I think it's Les Feldrick, David Guzik, Skip Heitzig, Chuck Smith. There's a whole bunch of them. So I just going to grab a Bible, and then I'm going to work out of that Bible when I listen to them, talking to my Bible study buddy, and we like to listen to their sermon and then go to the Bible and read it. And so that's what I'm doing. So as I'm doing my housework and stuff, I'll listen to, like I was starting to listen to David Guzik on 1 Thessalonians. So I'll listen to what he has to say about that. Then I'll work on the Bible that I chose to use with David Guzik. And if as I'm working in that Bible, if I remember something that I heard somewhere else, I'll just write it in there too. It just, the more, it's like layering. The more you repeat, the more you'll learn. But it would just help me to keep track of where I am and know what I'm doing. So I know it might sound a little confusing, but if you're doing this or decide to do this, you'll get it, So you can even write notes on sticky notes if you want. Whatever you decide to do, if you have one Bible, you could just use sticky notes, a different color sticky note for each minister, whatever you decide to do. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do with this Bible, and I just love it. It's just so cute. There's no gold or anything, but sometimes what I'll do is I'll just take a marker, and I think it looks fine, and I'll just take a marker and I'll just color it red, yellow, whatever color I want. I do that. I've used crayons before, but I really like just the highlighters are the best I found for doing the edging, and it really does make a huge difference in prettying up a Bible. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, this is the ESV Holy Bible. I got this on Amazon, and it's not that expensive. I think it's less than $20. Okay, guys, so remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.